guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage. And the one place that I hadn't heard anything about layoffs, that just changed. It looks like Detroit Assembly also has layoffs coming. I got some more internal memos and some other stuff going on with Warren, showing an additional 1,300 employees being laid off. This is not good. Guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yep, I am in the Master Chief right now, and you guys haven't seen it in a while. A couple of different changes with the upgraded sunroof, put a whole new unit in, and new suspension, power steering, pump, an upgraded pump, new rack, all kinds of stuff. This thing has been, I'm dumping money into it, I understand, but you guys can go check it out over on TK's Garage too. There'll be some videos coming on it and some of the work that is left to do, which we'll be doing here soon. So, that never gets old. So, of some of the places that we've talked about before, Detroit Assembly was never one that had any layoffs that we saw, and that just changed. Looks like we're going to have, quite a few people leaving Detroit Assembly. It looks like an extra 1,300 outside of what was already put out at Warren are getting cut. The Toledo plant, I guess, is going to be down for retooling for a few weeks, but during that downtime, they are cutting jobs there, and they're just going to, you left, you might have done your last day at work, and now they're going to hit you with the email that says, hey, don't come back, you've been laid off. And I've had a lot of people asking me, well, I've been at the company for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, how long is it that I have to be working there before I know my job is secure? And the consensus, and I've spoken with multiple people that have been in the UAW and been workers for Stellantis for a long time, and the consensus is it's about 12 to 15 years. Some people say it's only going to be 12 years. Other people are saying it's going to be 15 years. But needless to say, if you've only been there for 4 or 5 years, 6 years, you got stellar reports. You might be the best employee that they've ever had. It doesn't matter to them. They don't care. And unfortunately, they are cutting jobs. Sorry for the glasses, guys, but it's getting too bright. I'm out here trying to squint and screw all that. But anyways, so from what I can see, I think these layoffs are going to continue. I think Stellantis is trying to call Shawn Fain's bluff, especially on the strike question. He just doesn't care. And at this point, Carlos Tavares is like, I'm out of here anyway. I'm either going to finish my contract or they're going to buy me out and push me out anyway. Let me try to get the best financial position I can for the company now. I'll be the bad guy. So that's what he's doing. He's going to continue to lay off people. And even though there was promises in the contract, Tavares is now going to use some of the language and stuff that Shawn Fain has been saying in terms of striking to Stellantis' advantage. And yes, they are moving that Durango or that new SUV to Canada. There won't be a Durango replacement here in the U.S. They may move all Ram 1500 production to Mexico, including maybe the electrics will be the only thing that's manufactured here. That is one thing. But with Egypt coming online and then being able to manufacture Jeeps over there, don't get it twisted. Carlos Tavares has been playing the long game, and Shawn Fain has been playing the dumb game, or the what makes it better for me in terms of political position. and has basically sold out the workers. I mean, not saying Tavares is a good guy. He's not. He's a scumbag. But it's just the representation that the union has right now is just so bad. It's just so bad. So bad. And they're just selling you guys out, and it just sucks. You know, seeing the numbers that are coming in, and as we've been talking, I'll probably throw some of these screenshots up that I keep getting in from different members. There's voicemails, there's all kinds of stuff. So we got like text messages, voicemails, what else? Emails, all kinds of stuff, right? And then they had the warn notices that went out. So, you know, a lot of these people, you know, the brunt, a big chunk of the people were supplemental, right? These are people that are filling in when people are taking their vacations and things of that nature, right? So there's that. But then, now we got regular full-time employees going bye-bye. And people were like, oh, it's only 30 here, it's only 80 there, it's only, yes. And then the information started dropping yesterday evening and today that no, it's going to be in the term of thousands upon thousands of employees are about to be screwed. Detroit Assembly, Warren, Toledo, Sterling Heights. Every single one of those assembly plants is screwed. And again, I haven't seen any public statement put out by Sean Fain. I haven't seen anything pushed out, at least from the union. It's crazy when the non-unionized workers are coming out with a stronger response than the unionized guys. That looks bad for the union. Anyways, I digress. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I got to get down here to this car show with the Master Chief. I have not had the Cadillac out in a while, so that's why we're rumbling down the highway. I know it sounds like I'm hauling ass, but I'm only going 70. She's just loud. Yeah, no emissions. The the EPA light is on. No emissions, straight pipe. You guys know how I roll, man. Anyways, my thoughts are with the people that are about to lose their jobs and the ones that already have. You know, the biggest question I think I was able to answer for you guys today is how long do you have to be there to know that you're secure? And it sucks that you have to be there 12 years to know you have job security. You know, you have some people that left from other plants and are working now at new plants because, you know, Belvedere closed. And you got people in Toledo that moved when Belvedere closed, and now they're screwed, right? They're screwed. They're going to get cut. And then now you done moved them to a whole other state. You know, their family and stuff are still in Illinois, so I guess they go back without a job. You know, is Stellantis going to help those people move home? No. They're going to be like, thank you for your service. Bye. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.
For the longest time, whoa, for the longest.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley